Hi, this is Jerome from CheckWeb. Welcome to the installation video of CloudChat 3. After downloading the package, you will have following folder structure and you will need to read the documentation which will give you the guide how to install CloudChat 3. Also very useful is the manuals folder which will explain all features in our software. Now let's upload the files to your server. For that you browse to the upload folder and you upload the content of the upload directory into your subdomain or main domain. Do not use a subfolder. It is important to use a main domain or subdomain. When everything is uploaded, make sure the file and folder permissions are correct. Folders should have 755, files should have 644. When everything is set, open your browser, type in your domain /install/install.php. The installation wizard will now guide you through the installation. First, we need to set up the database connection. I assume you have already created 2 databases and now you need to input this information into the fields here. That's database number 1, that is for the server. Now we do database number 2, that is for the administration panel. Now this is quicker. Okay, everything in. Press save. Okay, database connection successful. We can proceed. We run further tests on the server. If the main libraries are available, seems they are, everything is green. Let's install the database. All good. Now let's create the user account. For that, first you will need to enter your purchase code or license number. The purchase code from Envato. So I'm just going to enter something here. And then I'm giving a title. My name, my username, my email address, and the password. I submit, and the installation is successful. It is important that you delete the install directory from your server so it cannot be reused again. Here you can open the administration panel and here you can open the operator panel. The logins are the ones you just created. Now that's it. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.